Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use Advanced System Care by iObit. iObit. Yeah. If you want the software, I will put the link in the description, and you can just go to it and download it. But you're gonna have the free version. If you want the pro version, you can either buy it, or you can message me and I'll hook you up, so to say. And yeah, but that's all you really have to do is just open it up and it'll come up to this screen right here at the home. And I have the pro, so it's gonna be different unless you buy it or message me. So you just hit scan. It's pretty much like Piriform that I used before, except that it's everything's built into this one. So, but some Advanced System Care Pro and all the and Piriform, both of them miss some things, because I'll scan with this one and then I'll scan with another, which is Piriform. I'll do System Care then Piriform, and System Care normally misses a couple things and Piriform normally misses a couple things if I do it the other way. So I normally just run both whenever I clean. And I really didn't, I don't think I did it in the last 3 days, something like that. So it's taking a little bit. Then just hit repair, and it'll delete all these files and then no spyware and registry errors and clean out all your history and everything, and pretty much everything really you don't need. Right, and the diagnose system one, I don't have system optimization selected, because it tries to tell me what I should have values set at in my registry, and it's the ones that I changed so that everything would either shut down faster, start up faster, anything like that, for like the start menu screen to open up faster, and everything else. But I have security and defense and security analyzer because I use Defraggler, so I don't use that, so I'll just scan it. There shouldn't be anything, but I just run it anyhow. And there's nothing wrong. So just go to here, and there's a game booster that will, this is, you have to download that, but I had it on my flash drive, but I deleted everything off of it one day, because, it's a SanDisk, and it's, obviously you can see the icon right here. So I had this, and I had the security on, and I forgot the password, because I was changing passwords like crazy that day, and the password just like slipped out of my head, and I had to erase it. Actually did it by itself because I typed it in too many times wrong, so it just deleted all the data, and I was kind of pissed. But I had all my pictures backed up on another flash drive, so you guys don't really care, but just saying. Smart RAM, you just deep clean, and it'll remove RAM that doesn't need to be there. And in another video, I'm going to show you how to actually get more RAM than what your computer says it came with or whatever, because the physical memory is only 4 gigs, but I'll explain it in the other video, because yes, I don't feel like doing it right now. and you can check for clone files. Like I had tons of Skype files, and somehow there was pictures of SpongeBob and stuff in my files somewhere in my computer. Maybe it came with one of the softwares, or somebody that likes SpongeBob and it was just in this. I really don't know. It was weird. I'll turn on Turbo Boost to show you what that does. I don't just do that because it only disables it for until you turn it off, really. I don't know, disable this. And now it turned it on, and you can see my screen just flashed on mine. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let me open up Notepad. See, it changed it back to Windows Arrow, and just turn it off and it'll change everything back. So that's all you really have to do, and that's pretty much a tour of Advanced System Care 3. It's the Pro version. Thanks for watching.